Did it find you?
So I didn't register on LinkedIn, so I registered through Eventbrite.
Yeah, it has a hard time and all. It's trying to figure out who it is. That is me. It figured out right. It believes you're another gentleman that looks maybe similar to you.
Okay.
What it's trying to do is look for faces.
Okay.
And all 93 people that were registered on LinkedIn have been downloaded locally.
Okay.
This computer is not on the internet.
That's wow. So this is
So it's local.
Yeah.
And it's loaded a bunch of different faces.
Okay.
Now it's LinkedIn, so a cool, one of these cool, hey, how you doing? It's hard to figure out.
Yeah.
So if you have a clear picture, it works out and things like that.
Okay.
And so if it knew about you, it doesn't know about you, so it can't go up there.
Okay.
And I wish one day it will go up there. But what it does is, that was interesting, but big deal, you've seen it a million times. What is not unusual, what is unusual is that you can't hear it because it's very low volume.
Yeah.
But when it sees you, it tries to read the information about you on LinkedIn, and then it grabs that stuff, sends it to a local LLM running locally,
Okay.
and it tries to tell a joke. A bad joke
Okay.
based on your name and all that, and it's been prompted not to make fun of the person, just be fun, just be funny. And unfortunately, the best thing is that it's coming out of this, and if you poke your ear next to it, maybe you can hear it.
Yeah.
But it's
not. So it's telling the jokes like right now.
It's right now telling the jokes.
Wow.
It's running out of this little guy here. This is a Mac Studio Max.
Okay.
With 64 gigs of memory. That's plenty of memory to run one of the big models. Over here, if you know different models there, it's running the Gemma 27 billion.
Okay.
That's pretty hard to run on a laptop, but on these guys, it's going to run just fine. It is pretty creative, pretty fun.
It's okay with video too.
Please.
Okay, cool.
No problem at all.
Okay, so go ahead.
And you know what I mean? So the fun thing about this was that it's running locally.
Okay.
It's unusual. I make stupid things for stupid people. No, I was going to say stupid things, stupid people. No, I make stupid things because I like stupid things. But maybe someone can come up with a better use of this.
Yeah.
And I'll be glad to help them do that.
So what is your background? How did you get into doing something like this?
So I thank you, my friend. I've been in the industry for 26 years.
Okay.
Keep forgetting how old I am.
Okay.
And South Florida really changed my life.
Okay.
I was in IT, doing reporting, but South Florida has so many events like this, so many different people, and that I just stayed around and I love it. I'm part of the community. I'm helping the Social DevCon in 2 weeks on the 17th, because that's a big set, the 21st year that we're doing that. And I love programming. And when the AI came around, it's just magic. And it's stuff I had never seen before. I've seen the invention of the mouse, I've seen the invention of the GUI, I've seen the invention of the mobile, I've seen the changes, the reactions, the phone apps and all that. But AI, it's unique. And so I want to do as many things with it as possible, and I'm just in love with it. So whatever I can do, let's do it together.
So is this a hobby, or is this something you do for your company? Or
no, I work for the feds. I work for the government, so this is as boring as it gets. That I never have done anything the opposite. I've never done something this cool for the government. Yeah, it's only transcriptions because so it's like judges, transcriptions and like signatures to text, things like that. That's the boring stuff. But that doesn't require the school stuff. So on the nights, on the weekends, you play with these things and you get to really enjoy yourself. You get all that out of there. You get to talk to people like you. Yes. You get to do things with other people. You get to do different events, and it's just fun.
I run the Cybersecurity YouTube channel. Is it okay if I post this?
Please, no problem at all.
Okay, cool. See, what I want to do is I'm going to get anything else. And where do they find you on social media or LinkedIn?
So I'm Damian Montero. I'm Damian Montero everywhere. You can check it out there. Yeah. Okay. You can find me anywhere on anything, including Google and Instagram. I haven't checked if ChatGPT knows me. I should do that. We should do that, both of us, right? Yes. It's like Googling yourself.
For sure.
But I love it. I think there's a big, huge change coming in cybersecurity. Yes. In both directions. the bad guys are going to get it, and we
Yes.
have to be there to know what's going on about it.
Yes.
And have you been using it? Have you been playing around with it?
So here's the thing. So just yesterday, I talked to some guys.
Yeah.
I've been teaching cybersecurity on YouTube,
Yes.
but I was talking to some investors, because I'm trying to build a product, right?
Okay.
But but what they're saying is that, hey, you're training people for legacy cybersecurity. Isn't AI going to be taking those jobs? And it's like, yeah, I should probably be learning AI security.
Okay.
So that's where I'm going now. I'm going to start pivoting and starting how to secure AI at this point.
Perfect.
Yeah.
It sounds fantastic. I think
Yes.
it's a big opportunity.
Yeah.
There's a lot of chance of doing things. It's
Yeah.
not going to replace us.
Yeah.
Right? The old saying is, you're not going to be replaced by an AI. You're going to be replaced by someone doing your job with AI.
Yes.
So you might as well learn it. There's a lot of things that have never been done before.
Okay.
And so no matter what you hear on the internet, once you go and you say like, great, hey, have you heard of this company? The answer is always no. So if there isn't one answer for the thing you've heard already exists, that means that not everybody else knows about it. It means you have an opportunity to do it.
Gotcha.
So you should do it.
Gotcha.
Right? Every single idea should be done because there is no answer. There's not one person right now in AI. So that means we can all be part of AI and we can all be part of the solution.
I love that.
So it's fantastic. South Florida, a lot of pitch contest areas,
Yeah.
a lot of investors, the biggest zip code. Come on. This is Kate. Wait.
It's okay.
This is Katie.
Yes.
She's the one who had the idea originally for this project.
It's a great idea.
Yes.
It's a really good
She
idea.
wanted it on glasses.
On the Meta glasses. Wow. Okay.
So they don't have an SDK yet. I'm waiting for that. And we were going to pull, the idea was pull all the LinkedIn information from your LinkedIn
Yes.
and be able to have that conversation like the DevilWorks product where all of a sudden you know what we're using.
Yes.
And she described it well. She gave away prizes at the last tech event near us.
Yes.
And she incentivized all of us to do it. And so that's what we're doing over here.
Yeah.
And because I'm a joking kind of guy, I added that it makes jokes.
So I'll tell you how cool this is, because I mean the video went viral of the guy walking around with the Meta glasses, doxing everybody, right? So I saw that. So for me, this is super cool to see this in person here in Delray Beach, Florida. That's amazing. Yes.
Absolutely.
It's great for conventions.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
When you go to a convention and you don't remember who people are, it'll just pop in your pocket.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
That's a good point.
So everybody feels comfortable. If you know everybody, it's like, oh, you're all friends.
Yes.
So this magically makes everybody friends.
Yes.
Right.
Well, you have a great idea there. So I'll end here.